In this video, we will show you how to replace your liftgate support on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is located along the passenger side of your liftgate. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Apply support under your liftgate. Now we can start removing the liftgate support. This can easily be done by using a small pick or even a small screwdriver. You're going to find that it has a locking tab that we need to make our way underneath and gently pry away. While prying that away, go ahead and pull this off of the liftgate. We'll give this a quick inspection, and now we can follow that lift support down to the body of the vehicle. In this area, it's the same process. We'll be using our small pocket screwdriver or pick, prying that away. And now we can remove this from the vehicle. Now we'll clean both of the mounting points. We have the one on the body of the vehicle and we have the exact same thing up on the liftgate. Once you've cleaned both of those, we can continue on with our installation. Now it's time for installation of our brand new liftgate support. We'll slide this into place along the mounting point on the body of the vehicle first. Just go ahead and line that up, press it in. Listen for a click. We're going to give it a tug, make sure it's properly secured. Let's follow this up to the liftgate. Just press this right into position here. You may have to raise or lower the liftgate. Listen for a click. Make sure it's completely secured in place. At this point, we'll carefully remove our support and test the functionality. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and test the functionality. We'll close the liftgate and then reopen it, ensuring that everything functions properly. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.